everyone, welcome to another episode of Spouse the House. My name is Mero and this is Jonathan, and we are from Changi Interior Design.
So today we are in Tampines and we'll be walking through a 5-room resale HDB flat. Let's go!
The 5-bedroom unit had an original layout which featured a short walkway at its entrance and a closed concept kitchen on its right. As the homeowner wanted an open concept farmhouse design, the wall dividing the kitchen from the walkway and the living room was removed to help connect the entire living space. As you enter the home, you'll be greeted by these amazing feature tiles spanning from the entryway to the kitchen. The floor has also been leveled to the living room, so it creates a nicer flow to the rest of the unit. Carpentry has also been included here so that daily necessities such as shoes are easily accessible but kept away neatly.
You'll find many unique and stylish furnishings in this home, including this suspended wall clock that you'll find in European train stations.
As you enter this spacious living room, the cozy farmhouse aesthetic is really brought out by maintaining a consistent neutral color palette and simple designs that really make you feel right at home.
At the same time, these large windows allows airflow and light to permeate into the entire living area while creating an energizing and comfortable environment, which offers an unobstructed view of the entire estate.
You'll also notice this huge dining table that actually doubles up as a pool table. As the homeowners host guests frequently, this 2-meter-long table provides ample space for larger dinners and at the same time entertainment with or without guests.
In line with the farmhouse theme, these woven rattan furniture pieces and the terrazzo coffee table creates a sense of warmth in the living area.
This TV console features an arch-shaped display on both sides that provides storage for the collectibles and electronics. At the same time, the TV feature wall utilizes V-grooves to create a sense of depth and contrast while maintaining a clean and simple look.
Wooden pegs has been installed on this wall to act as bicycle racks. This is also where the master bedroom entrance used to be. What we have done is we have relocated it to provide more privacy while allowing the homeowners to display their bicycles.
Moving on to the kitchen, we have a larger island that is rarely seen in most HDBs. Functionally, the island helps incorporate this structural pillar behind me with the rest of the open concept kitchen. We have also included a niche here that provides storage and display using the same V-groove design as the TV console. This island provides ample space for guests to be seated at the table and for food to be prepared at the same time.
The common bathroom features gold trimmings to match with the bathroom accessories. What we have done is to pull out the vanity area to make it more comfortable and spacious.
Across the island, the L-shaped bottom cabinet provides ample space for doing laundry, with carpentry built around the combi washer, pull-out baskets and the Steigen clothes rack. Doing laundry feels less like a chore when compared to your usual service yard. Over here, we use carpentry to conceal the existing pipings and create additional storage. When using carpentry to conceal your pipings, remember to ask your ID to provide removable backings and shelvings so that the pipes remain accessible.
Next to the induction cooker, we have placed a tall unit with a built-in oven and microwave. So usually for the side profile, it will be a plain laminated finish. However, we have decided to build a fake door to create a symmetrical look for the cabinets.
Moving over to the study room, we have created an arch-shaped entrance as well as installed ocular sliding doors to give the homeowners some privacy when taking their meetings and calls. The curtains also give additional privacy while concealing the side profile of the carpentry. With shaker profile cabinets, knobs and handles can provide an accent and a subtle contrast to the laminates, creating the look and feel of a classic farmhouse design that we all love.
As the homeowners needed a lot of storage space, we have included inner bloom drawers for miscellaneous items and jewelry. The space by the window is also fully utilized by placing this suspended carpentry, creating a perfect space for vanity as there is plenty of natural lighting.
Entering the master bedroom, we have several concealed cabinets. As the homeowner is an avid DVD collector, we have created a carpentry with the perfect dimensions for his DVDs. We have also created a niche in the carpentry to act as a TV console, and it's positioned right beside the concealed door that leads to the master bathroom.
Due to the position of the toilet bowl and the sink, we've created a cutout in the vanity area to allow for more leg space. In order for us to build this full height wall, we have actually widened the aluminum frame so that the wall does not cut across the window. We've just entered the room of a Rubik's Cube World Champion. The homeowner's son wanted his room to revolve around a Rubik's Cube, therefore we have built this recessed Rubik's Cube feature wall. We have also incorporated the same colours of the Rubik's Cube for the recessed handles. We hope you like our take on this farmhouse design. Do subscribe to us for more of such videos.
If you have any inquiries, feel free to reach out to us via our DMs or the link below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.